So finally got around to buying a catch can. I only got a cheap one, but it is baffled. Nice little, neat little thing to sit inside, just to stop all that nasty oil coming off and going in back into the plenum and having that oil residue. We don't need any of that, so we're just going to fit one of these. Let's see how it goes.
Thanks for watching our latest video. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button.
Murder in the beat.
This is the PCV valve. This is where we're going to cut this pipe and put it through into the catch can to stop the oil going back into the plenum. I'll show you that once I've taken this off. There is 1, 2, 3 bolts to take that off. Only little 10 mils. It's just a plastic cover. Obviously mine's thin airbrush, so I'm just trying to be a little bit more careful. I am going to cheat because I'm not going to take the strut bar off. I'm going to use a spanner and I'm going to undo the bolts and manoeuvre it. So a little 10mm spanner. Once it's quite loose, you can get it off your fingers and you can move it. Almost done. The hardest one's in a minute, which is underneath the actual bar over that side strut tower bar. But again, it's something you can manoeuvre around. It just saves having to remove all the bolts holding the bloody tower, the strut bar on. Having to remove the wiring from it as well, because obviously the wiring's connected to it. Just a pain in the arse, basically. Obviously keep everything in a safe place, because this is all going to go back on in a minute. Hopefully you can catch that on video. There you go. Right, now this side's a little bit more difficult, I would say. Just need to come in from the back and actually undo the bolt. Right, so I take the oil cap off as well, because it makes it a little bit easier to slide forwards. Bolt out, there's your plastic piece off. No need to remove all this strap tower bar. So, this is the offending. You can see that's just a pipe that goes straight from the PCV valve straight into the plenum. So all of that oil, residue and blowback and all of that comes straight into your plenum and changing all your mixture. Not something we want to do. So I didn't realise the camera wasn't on. I've just taken this clip off, which you can see they're just pinched together, pulled it off. So this is where we want to come off. I'm going to take this one off now and then get that bit of pipe out of the way, because I've got new pipe to go with it. I haven't gone red. I should have got the red in, but I didn't. I've just got some pipe work, so just going to take this off. You can see there's these stupid little pinch things which are annoying, but they do the job properly. Right, just try to get the bit of pipe out. There we go, and there it is. You can see there's a bit of residue on there already. That, yeah. Right, so we're going to do away with that bit of pipe. So I'm reckoning the best mount for this is going to be about there. So we're going to undo this bracket, which is holding the power steering fluid on, and we're going to drill a hole in it and hopefully mount that in there. Let's give that a go. I've undone this bolt here, and then you've got 2 bolts down here that I'm undoing. So that's the mounting bracket. This is what we're going to go to. So what I'm going to do is just do a couple of little holes, screw that in there so it kind of sits next to there. Let's give it a go.
Where your murder in the beat. Where your murder in the beat.
Right, so I'm just doing this mount back up now, so we know where it's sitting. Okay, so that's the mount. Now we've got to try getting this down there somehow. Try coming in from the bottom maybe. Now we're going to pull those earthing straps out of the way again. Right, so I'm just kind of running this pipe underneath this pipe, underneath this cable harness, and actually directly, I'll bring this down a little bit to show you. So it's running underneath there, round, and then going down onto the pipe, which will be absolutely perfect. You see it down there just? And onto that pipe. And then this one, underneath this bit of harness, now we need to, no, better over the top. Yep, nice little loop across, straight onto the PCV and straight onto there. So we just need to put a cable clip on this one. Well, not a cable clip, but a clip. So we're going to just take right, that's clipped on quite nicely. It's curved around back into the catch can, and then we just need to do this one up. Okay, so since fitting this, I noticed I had a little bit of a kink in the pipe here going into the PCV. So I've actually manoeuvred it over a bit, changed the mount over. You can see the original mount holes. And I've done a mount here, so now this is nice and smooth. There's no kink in it and no kink in this one, so it's going to be perfect flow. There we go, and it's all fitted.
Thanks for watching our latest video. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button now. Also, feel free to follow us on Instagram. Addresses are scrolling across the bottom of the screen now. See you again soon as we continue with our mad life.